Welcome, here I've got Realme 7i and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this settings from the right to open the advanced camera settings, and from here we have to slide a little bit to the photo category. At the last one position here we have the watermark option, so when we tap on it, we can see that we can add 2 watermarks to our picture, the phone model and the date and time. By using these buttons we can turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of this, we can add both at the same time. And with the phone model we have one extra watermark that is connected, the author. So when we tap here we can add our own custom watermark. For example, let me write here hard reset and OK. But remember of course that this is connected, so you can't add the author without the phone model. Now let me keep the star net on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see how these watermarks looks like at the real one. Now let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo with watermarks at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. From the left we have the Realme watermark with the custom hard reset, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course when we don't need them, we can go back to the camera, then to the right corner to the settings button, slide again to the photo category, pick the watermark and use these buttons to turn them off. So for now when we take another picture, the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.